Whenever I'm in need and I'm looking for help, God, you're always there for me. Wherever you lead me, I can follow you. God, you're always there for me. Oh, God, you're always there for me. Help me believe you know what's best for me. I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Whenever I'm lost and I don't know where to turn, God, you're always there for me. Wherever I go, you're always by my side. God, you're always there for me. Oh, God, you're always there for me. So help me believe you know what's best for me. I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah.
Yeah. God, help us to be more like you, because your way is the best way.
I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah.
Hey, Brandon. Want to hear a joke?
Sure.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow.
Moo!
I like that one. You know, I fall for that all the time. Yeah. Every time I hear it.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah, what?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow. Wait.
Moo!
Yeah, no.
Hey, Brandon.
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Are you going to tell me? Do you mind if I...
Moo!
John, that's really getting old. Stop it.
Moo!
No, stop it.
Moo!
The joke is over. It's not funny anymore. When you tell the same joke,
Moo!
What do you think about that, huh? Isn't that funny? You think that's funny? Ha, ha, ha. What do you think about that?
I don't get it.
Moo!
I get it.
Hello, everyone. I'm Brandon.
I'm John.
And welcome to the So-and-So Show, a show that asks you, how you doing?
I'm great.
No, I was talking to them.
Yeah, that's okay. You can talk to them.
John, what are you doing?
Huh? What? Oh, sorry. Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah. Sorry. Welcome to the So-and-So Show.
We already did that.
Oh, I'm John.
We're past that, too.
Yeah, take it away, Brandon.
Okay, then. Well, now I'm thrown off. I can't remember what I was going to say. John, do you know what we're...
Yep.
John?
Oh, man, I'm funny.
John!
Oh, yes, reveal the question.
No, what are you doing? What are you looking at over there? Don't say nothing. You're looking at something. Just tell me.
Okay.
What is...
Picture in a picture.
I know, but how did you...
Oh, the remote control, we've been using. See, watch this. Off, on, off, on, on.
Okay, I get it. All right. Why are you watching us?
Oh, I'm just going down memory lane, you know. We're really funny on the show. Plus, I really learn a lot from me.
Okay, but, we're on the show right now, so can you just
Just what?
put that away and engage with the audience, right?
Sure. Done.
All right. Sorry about that, everyone. Let's see if I can get things back on track. Today, we are going to talk about something that's really, really important. Right, John?
Yeah.
John.
Man, I'm really funny.
You know what? I think we should play an impromptu game. What do you say about that, John?
Okay.
Great! It's a brand new game that I just made up that John is unaware of, and it's called Say When. This game is very simple. I mean, really simple. Before me, I have an 8-cup measuring pitcher as well as an endless supply of delicious syrup. This stuff is super sweet, right, John?
Yeah.
When I say go, I'm going to start pouring this syrup into this pitcher until John says the word when. Okay, once he says when, John has to drink the syrup I've poured. It's easy enough, right, John?
Okay.
Okay, indeed. So you ready to play, John? That's as good as a yes to me. Let's play Say When. Go. Here we go. First bottle, John. Here it comes. It's a lot of syrup. I mean, right now we're already at 1 cup of syrup you're going to have to drink.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the sink in a little bit.
Okay, 2 cups of syrup. You want to say when yet?
Not yet.
Let's do another bottle. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's going to feel so good going down your throat.
I haven't bathed in a while.
I don't know what to think of that. All right, we got 3 whole cups.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if you want to drink all 4 of these cups. You're on a diet, right?
This is ridiculous.
It sure is. Here we go, big bottle here. This is 4 whole cups right here.
Okay, go. I like
Boing.
golf.
Hey, do you know how many cups are in a pint, John?
I don't know.
There's 2 cups in every pint.
Okay.
Ooh, this is a lot, sir.
Yeah, my name's John. You can call me John.
I know what your name is, John, but do you know what you're doing? Okay. I mean, it's literally overflowing.
Yeah, it's a figurative thing to say.
It's gonna taste so good.
Brendan, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for you to say when.
What?
Yeah, I won't stop until you say when.
When? Hey, when?
Oh, okay. Oh, John, that is incredible, huh? Yeah. Drink up, buddy.
What?
You heard the rules. Drink it up.
This is straight syrup. I'm supposed to drink this?
Yeah, we were playing Say When. I poured syrup until you said when, and now you have to drink what I poured.
Well, that's kind of a dumb game.
Yeah, and yet you agreed to play it.
I did.
Yeah, you were listening, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Of course you were.
was. So, yeah. I'm gonna drink. Oh.
There you go.
8 cups of syrup.
Huh. Guess you are.
Yeah, okay. Here it goes.
Oh.
Boom.
You okay?
Yep, just stretching out the old esophagus
Okay.
before getting ready.
Here we go.
Okay.
John,
Yeah.
I'll make a deal with you.
Okay.
All right, you pay extra special attention to Kellen today, and you don't have to drink that. Is that a deal?
Done.
Oh, great. Should I do the honors, or do you want
It's Bible story time with Kellen!
Hey fellas, how's it going?
Wonderful, Kellen.
Cool. What's with the container of syrup?
I'm supposed to drink it if I don't listen to you.
Oh, why?
'Cause.
Okay. So today, I've got a really cool proverb to share with you. Proverbs, in case you were wondering, are these really cool pieces of wisdom in the Bible. You'll find most of them in the book of Proverbs. Convenient, right? Anyway, here's the proverb I want to talk to you about. If you find honey, eat just enough. If you eat too much of it, you will throw up. Okay. Kind of a gross proverb, but I think it makes a great point. But before I explain that point, I want to show you some examples of it using my good friends Count Lupe and Mr. Fritter. Mr. Fritter and Count Lupe are at the gym getting some good exercise.
48, 49, 50.
Wow, Count Lupe. It sure does feel good to get some exercise.
It does the body good, no?
Yes.
That is what I said. Now I am going to add 200 more pounds to this dumbbell and do 1,000 more curls.
Oh, Count Lupe. Exercise is good, but you can overdo it and actually hurt yourself.
Nonsense. I exercise all the time. I will be a perfect specimen.
But Count Lupe, I don't think you should.
I will now do them as fast as possible. 1, 2, 3,
Count
4,
Lupe,
5,
please.
6, 7,
I don't think
8,
this is
9,
a good
10, 11, 12. Ooh.
idea.
Maybe you are right. Feeling a little crispy.
Wow. So exercise is great, but too much could actually hurt you. Now, you probably won't get hurt from weights falling from the sky, but it is always good to do the amount of exercise that's right for you. Now, let's check on them again.
Oh, I've got you now, Count Lupe.
Not if I get you first, Mr. Fritter.
Look out!
No, you look out.
Yes!
No!
Haha, that's 2 games in a row. This is the best I've ever played. Oh, the alarm went off. Time for us to stop playing and study for the test tomorrow.
Study, Schmuddy. I am playing with or without you.
Oh, Count Lupe, I wish you wouldn't.
I think I will. Can barely keep my eyes open. They burn! They burn!
Count Lupe, I think you should stop before
Wow!
you regret it.
Water! Water!
Yeah, when you play too many video games, your eyes won't catch on fire. Probably. But playing video games too much can hurt your rest, it can hurt your grades, and it can even hurt your relationships. Make sure you put the controller down and engage with others and do the things you need to do. Thank you so much again, Mr. Fritter and Count Lupe.
Thank you, Kellen.
Learning lessons is painful.
But at least now we know when to
Wow!
stop. Are you okay, Count Lupe? Oh dear.
I shall return.
Let's go over Proverbs 25:16 one more time. If you find honey, eat just enough. If you eat too much of it, you will throw up. Too much of something, even something good, can cause harm. It can hurt you. And it can get in the way of your relationships with others and your relationship with God. Having self-control and knowing when to stop is a great way to honor God with your body, your mind, and your soul.
That totally makes sense. Thanks for the lesson, Kellen.
Anytime. Stay cool, my friends, and don't drink that.
Okay, bye. Wow. Okay, so I was so glued to watching how funny and talented and ruggedly handsome I am. I totally didn't engage with all of you, or you, and I almost had to drink 8 cups of Cell.
Yeah, listen, I think that watching the so-and-so show is a good thing.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, but even when it comes to our own show, watching it all day long and doing nothing else is probably not the best use of your time.
Yeah, but with something as good and wholesome and funny as this, how do you even stop watching?
I think that is an excellent question.
Oh yeah? Hey, reveal the question. Yeah, how do you know when to stop? Got any ideas?
Maybe ask yourself, is what I'm doing going to make me sick?
Or what about, is what I'm doing going to interfere with what I'm supposed to do?
That's good too. Take some time together and talk about it. How do you know when to stop?
Yeah. You know, I think we should stop shooting this episode.
Right? Yeah, don't want to give too much of a good thing.
All right, true that.
I'm Brandon.
I'm John.
This was the So-and-So Show.
See ya.
I really want to drink it.
I know.
All right, it's time to find out, will it float in Karo syrup? What do you think? This is a plastic egg.
I think that will definitely float.
It's definitely
I think
gonna
it'll
float.
just sit on top.
It's going to go all the way to the bottom.
Oh, that is awesome. All right, give it a second.
If it's gonna sink, it's gonna take a while.
It's not.
Oh!
Oh, it stopped it.
Oh,
it floats.
Oh, who'd have
I
thought?
never would have thought that.
Oh, this is my grandfather's watch. I was just seeing how much time we had. Yeah.
This will be great.
Wait, no!
Oh, it sinks. What else we got?